Problem. A weight exerts force of 100 Newton on steel wire. If the extension produced is 2 mm, for 5 meter length of wire, find the diameter of wire. The Young's modulus is given as 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. Analysis. Let us first analyze the problem. This problem is related to the topic of elasticity. When the external force is applied to the elastic wire, the stress and strain are developed in the body. We will use Hooke's law to solve this problem because it relates stress and strain which subsequently involve force and extension. The Hooke's law states that Y equal to stress upon strain. The equation can be rewritten in terms of force, area, extension, length, and Young's modulus of the wire. Therefore, Y is equal to capital F upon A, the whole divided by a small l upon capital L. The four values given in the problem are the length of the wire capital L equal to 5 meter, the extension of the wire small l equal to 2 millimeter, and that is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The force applied capital F equal to 100 Newton, and the Young's modulus Y equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. The equation of Young's modulus involves in all 5 variables. Hence, substituting the values of 4 variables given in the problem into the equation, we get the value of the 5th variable, namely cross-sectional area of the steel wire. From this area, we can find out the diameter of the wire. Solution. The Hooke's law states that Y equal to stress upon strain. The equation can be rewritten in terms of Fa, small l, capital L and Y, and therefore Y is equal to capital F upon capital A, the whole upon small l upon capital L. Rearranging the terms and taking area capital A on the left hand side, we get capital A equals force upon Young's modulus and the whole upon extension upon length of the wire. The values of the 4 parameters given in the problem are the length of the wire L equals 5 meter, the extension of the wire small l equal to 2 millimeter, and that is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The force applied capital F is equal to 100 Newton, and the Young's modulus Y is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. Substituting these values in the equation, we get area equal to capital F upon capital Y, the whole divided by small l upon capital L. That is equal to 100 into 5 whole divided by 2 into 10 raised to 11 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Simplifying, we get A equal to 500 divided by 4 into 10 raised to 8. Further simplification gives A equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now, in order to find out the diameter of the given wire, we have to write area in terms of pi r square. Therefore, A is equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into d by 2 total raised to 2, and that is equal to pi into d square by 4. Rearranging the terms, we get d square is equal to 4 into area divided by pi, and that is equal to 4 into 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 6, and the whole divided by 3.14. And that gives us d square equal to 1.59 into 10 raised to minus 6. The square root of d square is the required answer, and therefore we write d equal to square root of 1.59 into 10 raised to minus 6, and that is equal to 1.26 into 10 raised to minus 3. And writing this answer in terms of millimeter, we get diameter equal to 1.26 millimeter. Thus, we have solved the problem and got the answer, that is diameter of the steel wire equal to 1.26 millimeter.